We start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. If you refer to our analysis, since the price was within here, we mentioned we're looking for buy by having a trade above the stop. And this is what we get. And for those traders, still they keep the trade. If they haven't taken the trade in the profit, at least move their stop loss to break even. Because right now the question is whether this is a correction for continuation or we can expect this one turn to a flat for next drop. That's why I mentioned we need to see the breakout of this correction as a sharp move, right? As weakens the price tag and turns to a correction. For me, if this one consolidate another a few hours, if this one turn to a deeper correction, at least the price break the lowest price of this correction, then I will put my entry above here. And in case the price reverse as a sharp move, I will take the trade. All right, that means we have to wait for this one turn to deeper correction. Then from there, if you get any opportunity for buy, we'll take it. And we need to see the breakout of the 28. All right, but at this point, having entry above this, I won't suggest it. We have to wait because we mentioned how about if this one turned to flat. All right, and we are not really interested to look for sell. And if we move to daily chart, based on daily chart, we have been looking for this one as a flat in relative to, as a first move, flat as a correction. That's why I mentioned if you get any opportunity for buy from now, we'll take it. This is what we're looking for. And the targets we're looking for is 43, following by 51.8. How deep this one can go, even we can expect the price drop to 20. But any reversal, any opportunity for buy, we'll take it. That's why if we get any opportunity for buy based on lower time frame, we consider as a short term. Because we can expect that the price will be within this down move for longer time before we get the reversal. May this one turn similar to any of this. That's why we consider it as a short term. If it's not moving in our direction, we shouldn't keep the trade. And based on forward chart, we're looking at this correction. Any trade for buy from here, we will take it. And we're looking to see the breakout of 28 following by 30. All right. By the way, at this point, we don't have any trade setup. Even if we move to 1 hour chart, we explain how we can look for trade. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.